Launching a product feature usually means creating a lot of assets at once. In this video, I'll show you how to use Robot and Designer Studio to create a launch campaign from a simple product brief. We'll configure the design workflow, create a 5-slide carousel, generate visuals, refine the copy, review the design, and export the final assets. First, we'll open Designer Studio. Designer Studio is where Robot can create visual projects like slide decks, documents, landing pages, app mockups, social carousels, and video storyboards. For this demo, we'll create a square launch carousel that can be used on social platforms. I'll create a new project and choose a square deck format. This is useful for launch carousels because each page becomes one slide, and the square format works well across LinkedIn, X, and Instagram-style posts. Now I'll give Robot the campaign brief. Notice that I'm not only asking for copy. I'm describing the format, the audience, the visual style, the number of slides, the message, and the tone. The more clearly I describe the desired outcome, the easier it is for Robot to create something useful on the first pass. Before generating the design, it helps to define the visual direction. For this campaign, I want a modern dark text style, a near black background, blue and violet accents, clean typography, and visuals that suggest automation, connected tools, and background workflows. This gives Robot enough creative direction to make the carousel feel consistent rather than random. Robot first turns the launch brief into a campaign structure. A good carousel needs flow, a strong hook, a simple explanation, clear benefits, proof of practical use, and a final call to action. This planning step is important because the design should support the story, not just decorate it. Now Designer Studio creates the actual pages. Each slide has its own headline, supporting copy and visual layout. The goal here is to get from a rough launch idea to a coherent set of designed assets quickly. Once the first version is ready, I can review the carousel slide by slide. I'm checking a few things. Does the hook make sense? Is the copy concise? Is the value clear? And does the visual style feel consistent across the whole campaign? Next, I can ask Robot to add AI-generated visuals. For this campaign, I want abstract visuals that communicate automation, connected tools, scheduled workflows, and notifications flowing to different channels. Robot can generate the images and place them into the design, so I do not have to leave the app to create supporting visuals. After seeing the first version, I can refine it conversationally. Here, I'm asking Robot to make the copy sharper and more concise. This is especially important for carousels, where each slide needs to be readable in a few seconds. Designer Studio can also help review the design. I can ask Robot to check readability, spacing, contrast, and overall polish. This is useful because AI-generated designs can sometimes be too busy or too text-heavy, especially on smaller social feeds. Based on the critique, Robot can apply improvements. It might increase contrast, simplify crowded areas, reduce copy, improve spacing, or make the visual hierarchy stronger. The goal is not just to create a design, but to make it usable. Once the carousel is ready, I can export it. PNG is useful for uploading individual slides to social platforms, while PDF is useful for sharing, archiving, or reviewing the campaign internally. Finally, Robot can write the post copy that goes with the carousel. For example, I can ask for a short X post and a more detailed LinkedIn caption. This keeps the messaging consistent between the visual asset and the written launch announcement. In one workflow, Robot turned a launch brief into a campaign structure, created a 5-slide carousel, applied a visual style, generated images, refined the copy, reviewed the design, exported the assets, and wrote social captions. This is what makes Designer Studio powerful. Instead of jumping between chat, design tools, image generators, and writing apps, you can describe the campaign you want and let Robot help you build it step by step.